Hey guys, it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So I get asked all the time, what tools do you need to get started with creating the projects that you'll see here on my DIY channel? So let me give you a look around my workshop. So before I get started, I do want to say that this video is not sponsored in any way. These are actually tools that I use regularly and just want to suggest them to you. So the first thing that you're going to want to need if you're going to be cutting wood is something to cut your wood with. So a lot of times I use this compound double bevel miter saw. However, this is an upgrade. I actually started with a 10-inch non-sliding, non-compound, non-double bevel miter saw. So this one's an upgrade. However, I did start out with a 10-inch and that worked great for me for a while. And so since I use mine regularly, I went ahead and upgraded. So this is a 12-inch. Now, if you don't have a miter saw, you can also use a circular saw like this one here, or even a table saw. So anything that you can cut wood with, you will definitely need that, of course, if you're going to be doing woodworking. Another absolute must is a sander. This is a Orbital sander. I actually didn't start with this one either. This is an upgrade. I actually used a corner cat for a very long time, but I do suggest a Orbital sander because they are round and they go like it just says. It goes in a circle as you are sanding. So it kind of does some of the work for you, and that's what I like because sanding can take a lot of effort and a lot of time, and it's not very fun. So a nice sander kind of helps with that job. Another thing that I use very frequently is my nail gun here. Obviously you do not need a nail gun. You can use a hammer and nails. It works just as good. This one here actually you have to use an air compressor for, but they do make nail guns that are battery powered. So I would actually really love to have one that's battery powered, but the compressor is actually not so bad either. So this one is actually a Craftsman Evolv, and I believe I can do up to 3-inch nails with this one. This is a brad nailer, a finishing nailer, and the nails go right in there and it shoots them in one after another, and I just love this thing. It makes building much simpler. And then of course you're gonna need some kind of drill with drill bits, and this one is a Dewalt brand and has worked really great for me for all of my builds. And then the last thing I'll suggest that you absolutely must get is safety gear. So a pair of gloves, a pair of safety goggles, and even some kind of protection to put over your nose and your mouth to protect your lungs from all of the sawdust. So that's just a quick rundown of the power tools that I use most frequently here in my workshop and the ones that you see actually in my videos and my DIY tutorials here on my channel. If you guys have any questions about any of these power tools, leave those down in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you down there. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I can keep bringing you this Quick Tip Tuesday series. Also, hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hit the bell so that you don't miss when my videos do go live. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.